Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, as you can see here, this is the A23 from Samsung, and of course you can see at the back here. And of course what I'm going to show you to do today is how to reset the camera. Now if you have ever modified the settings in the camera for whatever reason, I'm going to show you how to adjust the settings back to default. So go to settings once here in the camera upper left. From here go down to settings, and from the settings you're going to see the option here that says reset settings. So reset settings here is going to reset only the camera settings, set them back to their default. So if you have ever modified them, especially if you can't remember what you have done, go ahead and hit reset. I'm not going to do this on this device. I'm simply showing you on the A23, which is one of those devices that you may have, and you may want to adjust the camera, fix issues relating to the camera and picture quality, or of course functionality of the camera. It's a great option to know, and of course you can always modify your settings at will, and if anything, come back here and adjust the settings back to their default. I hope you enjoy this guide. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying